In this video, we will talk about peacocks, the science behind their feathers. Peacocks are some of the most recognizable and admired birds in the world, famous for their dazzling beauty and fascinating behaviors. Their most iconic feature is their iridescent tail feathers, known as a train, which create one of nature's most stunning displays. This train is made up of long, colorful feathers adorned with eye-like patterns that shimmer in the light. Male peacocks use these feathers to attract mates, showcasing their health, strength, and genetic fitness. The peacock, scientifically known as Pavo cristatus, belongs to the pheasant family and is native to the Indian subcontinent. These birds thrive in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and agricultural areas. The males, called peacocks, are known for their vibrant plumage, while the females, called peahens, have more muted colors that help them blend into their surroundings for protection. The beauty of a peacock's feathers is not just for show, it plays a critical role in reproduction. During courtship, the male fans out his train into a magnificent display, shaking it slightly to catch the light and enhance the shimmering effect. The size, color, and symmetry of the train are important factors in attracting females. Peahens often choose mates based on these traits, as they are indicators of the male's overall health and vitality. This process, known as sexual selection, has driven the evolution of the peacock's extravagant plumage. The iridescent quality of the feathers comes from microscopic structures that scatter and reflect light, creating vibrant colors. This phenomenon, called structural coloration, is different from pigmentation and is one of the marvels of biology. The eye-like patterns on the train are thought to confuse predators, adding another layer of function to their beauty. Peacocks are also known for their behaviors beyond courtship displays. They are social birds, often living in small groups, and have loud, distinctive calls used to communicate and warn of danger. Despite their large size, peacocks can fly short distances, using their strong legs and wings to escape predators or reach high perches. These birds have held cultural significance for centuries. In Indian mythology and art, peacocks are symbols of beauty, pride, and immortality. They are also the national bird of India, representing the country's rich natural heritage. In other cultures, peacocks have been associated with royalty, wealth, and divine protection. However, the peacock's striking appearance can sometimes make it a target. Habitat loss, hunting, and illegal trade pose threats to their populations in some areas. Conservation efforts focus on protecting their habitats and raising awareness about their ecological and cultural importance. Peacocks are a living example of the incredible diversity and creativity of nature. Their breathtaking displays and intricate behaviors remind us of the power of evolution and the intricate balance of ecosystems. By protecting peacocks and their habitats, we ensure that these remarkable birds continue to inspire and captivate future generations. The unique structure of peacock feathers. Peacock feathers owe their dazzling colors to microscopic structures known as photonic crystals. These structures are made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails, and are arranged in a way that reflects and refracts light. This phenomenon, called structural coloration, creates the vibrant blues, greens, and golds that peacock feathers are famous for. Unlike pigment-based colors, structural coloration appears to shimmer and change depending on the angle of light, adding to the mesmerizing effect of the train. Each feather contains eye spots, or ocelli, which are circular patterns resembling eyes. These ocelli are thought to play a crucial role in sexual selection, as their symmetry and brightness signal the health and genetic quality of the male. Interestingly, research has shown that females are particularly attracted to males with well-defined and symmetrical ocelli, indicating that these patterns play a significant role in mate choice. The role of sexual selection. The elaborate train of the peacock is a classic example of sexual selection, a concept first introduced by Charles Darwin. Male peacocks display their trains to attract peahens, fanning out their feathers and vibrating them to create a rustling sound. This courtship display is not only visually stunning, but also requires significant energy, showcasing the male's strength and stamina. Peahens evaluate multiple factors, including the size, color, and symmetry of the train, before selecting a mate. This selective pressure drives the evolution of increasingly elaborate displays in males. Behavior and display rituals. During the breeding season, male peacocks establish territories and use their trains to perform elaborate courtship displays. They often position themselves in areas where sunlight enhances the iridescence of their feathers, maximizing their visual appeal. These displays are accompanied by vocalizations, known as crows, which further attract females. Males also use body movements, such as strutting and turning, to showcase their train from multiple angles. Interestingly, researchers have observed that peahens often approach males from specific angles, suggesting that the display's effectiveness depends on how it is perceived by the observer. This highlights the intricate interplay between visual cues and behavior in peacock courtship. Ecological role of peacocks. Peacocks are native to South Asia, particularly India and Sri Lanka, where they inhabit forests, grasslands, and agricultural areas. As omnivores, they feed on a varied diet of insects, seeds, fruits, and small vertebrates, playing a role in pest control and seed dispersal. Despite their striking appearance, peacocks are adept at avoiding predators, using their sharp eyesight and loud alarm calls to alert their group to potential threats. The train, while seemingly cumbersome, can also serve as a deterrent by making the bird appear larger and more intimidating. Cultural and symbolic significance. Peacocks hold a prominent place in human culture and mythology. In Hinduism, they are associated with the god Krishna and symbolize beauty, immortality, and wisdom. The peacock is also the national bird of India, representing the country's rich natural heritage. In other cultures, such as those of ancient Greece and Rome, peacocks were seen as symbols of divinity and renewal. In Western art and literature, the peacock has been a symbol of pride and vanity, while in Eastern traditions, it often represents protection and watchfulness. The bird's captivating beauty continues to inspire artists, poets, and designers worldwide. Challenges and conservation. While peacocks are not currently endangered, habitat loss and hunting pose threats to their populations in some regions. Urbanization and agricultural expansion have reduced their natural habitats, forcing them into smaller and more fragmented areas. In addition, the demand for their feathers and their status as game birds in some cultures have led to localized declines. Conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation, raising awareness, and enforcing regulations against poaching. In India, where peacocks are protected under the Wildlife Protection Act, their populations have remained relatively stable. However, continued efforts are necessary to ensure their survival in the wild. The science behind the peacock's feathers is a testament to the wonders of evolution and natural selection. These birds, with their breathtaking displays and intricate behaviors, are a living example of how beauty and function intertwine in the natural world. Beyond their physical allure, peacocks play essential ecological roles and hold deep cultural significance. Protecting these magnificent creatures ensures that they remain a symbol of nature's brilliance for generations to come. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.